Ari umwe wa Atongoria aria ITEMI riakiria kuruirira wiyathi wa bururi ritagikirirwo nganja. Atongoria kuma gicigo kia Nyanza na iturigishia bururi nimanyitanire niguo kuririkana na gutia uria wari munini wa president wa mbere bururi-ini wa Kenya MZEE Jaramogi ODINGA. Igongona riria rikuhaririirio ni mutongoria wa AZIMIO RAILA ODINGA nyumba-ini ya KIRIRIKANO ya OFAFA Memorial KAUNTIINI ya KISUMU. Athomi na aria angi marũĩrĩire wiyathi magikũra ni wira munene uria Jaramogi arutire.
I just want to say that the man we are celebrating today, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, was a very, very committed family man.
When I met Jaramogi and I became one of the daughters-in-law, he loved me dearly. And I used to say, so this is how those people with fathers feel.
Atongoria kiama-ini kia ODM na NGWATANIRO ya AZIMIO ni megwikinyitie kwa wingi ndumiriri-ini ciao makiranira gukinyaniria kioneki kiria OGINGA ari na kio gia bururi wa Kenya.
I honestly do not know any other politician who would be as selfless as he was given that opportunity. Even if it was me, I don't know if I would take the same decision that he took.
When he had an opportunity to form government and become president of the Republic of Kenya, he passed that opportunity and said, we can never do it for as long as Johnston Jomo Kenyatta is in detention.
Kuna barabara katika kaunti ya Mombasa itakuwa na jina la Jaramogi Odinga iwe katika kumbukumbu ya historia.
Minister wa urutiwira wa muingi Moses Kuria uria uma gikaro-ini giki akihoya ateti metikire kuiguanira maundu-ini mamwe maria maragu na bururi.
May not be from the same political party, but we can have an agreement on things that we can never have a dispute about. We can agree on a set of ideals that brings Kenya together.
Governor wa Siaya James Orengo ni akinyiririe kihumo kinene kia mathina maria magumiire muingi ni gukorwo aria mari wathani-ini matiui thogora wa wiyathi wa bururi.
If you look at Kenya today, part of the problem that we have today is that those who are in power were never part of the struggle. And in this, we face a lot of challenges.
Raila Odinga ni ataririe ITEMI riria ithe anyitire hari gutigirira a Kenya ingi na mamukira githomo nja wa bururi undu uria Raila augite ndwaragiririo kana gutamburwo kaingi na kaingi.
Jaramogi sent very many students to the Asian states also, and also to other West African countries, Ghana, Egypt, and so on and so forth. This is an aspect of Jaramogi's contribution that has never been appreciated. And I wanted this to also go on record. Jaramogi as an educator.
MZEE Jaramogi Oginga Odinga atugatire ta minister wa maundu ma bururi mwaka-ini wa 1963 na thutha ucio ta munini wa president rungu rwa wathani wa MZEE Jomo Kenyatta na hurukire mwaka-ini wa 1994. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.